Looking to launch a high-performance DeFi staking platform? At Oodles, we build secure, scalable staking systems engineered for real-time rewards, token utility, and multi-chain growth. Whether you need liquid staking, flexible pools, or validator delegation, we tailor your staking platform to your tokenomics, community, and go-to-market strategy. We develop staking solutions with flexible staking models and liquid staking derivatives, real-time or epoch-based reward engines, validator and delegation modules with slashing protection, advanced user dashboards, and admin controls, cross-chain staking with bridge integrations. We build on Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, Cosmos, and more, with secure smart contracts in Solidity, Rust, and CosmWasm, integrated with Wallet Connect, Layer 0, Wormhole, and on-chain governance tools. With 260-plus blockchain projects delivered, our DeFi engineers ship staking platforms that drive adoption, sustain rewards, and scale with your community. Ready to launch your staking platform? Let's build a secure, reward-rich ecosystem designed for growth.